गोयच्यो जमनी दिल्लीकारांक दिवपाच्या हेतानूच गोंय नगर नियोजन कायद्यान दुरुस्ती केल्ल्याचो आरोप गोवा फाउंडेशनाचो मुखेली क्लॉड आल्वारिस हाणें केला. हे कारस्थान थांबोवपा खातीर गोंयचे जनतेन रस्त्यार देवपाचो वेळ आयिल्ल्याचें ताचें म्हणणें. गोंयचे फुडले पिळगे खातीर हे संघटनेन मडगांवां घेतिल्ले बसकेन क्लॉड उलयतालो.
Amendments that have been notified for public objections are not in the interests of the people of Goa, the state, its environment, its ecology or its land use. The amendments are brought into operation only because there are certain people who want to do certain things in the state of Goa. Like they want this yoga center, they want some golf courses to be built. There are some people who want to construct farmhouses on the Delhi scale with all these farmhouses outside, which Goenkar is living in a 500-meter farmhouse. Which Goenkar is living? These are only for very rich folk who have want to purchase land which they are not allowing Goans to build on, like Morad lands and so on. And you are giving them permission to put up a 500 square meter farmhouse. These people are not interested in farming, they are only interested in destroying the farms. But in their name you are giving them a permission to put up a 500 square meter farmhouse. So not one of these, I have found, not one of these amendments which have been passed is done with any thought. There is no study, there is no background discussion, there is no note, there is nothing. Anybody who has got a proposal for a particular type of development which is not permitted under the existing regulations, for them they have created a special regulation. This is what is happening. This is not regulations for the whole of Goa. It is regulations designed to assist certain people who have certain problems with their lands as far as the regional plan is going and as far as other things are concerned. It is not at all meant for the general public. There is not a single Goan who will benefit from any of these changes which have been notified for objections. And that is why the whole of Goa is objecting, because if there is something which is in favor of the Goenkars, why will the Goenkars object? Why will they object? Where is this a single voice which has come out today in favor of any of these amendments? Any voice has come except for the minister trying to defend it. But is there anybody else who said, has the Architect Association or any other association said, no, this is a good thing that is happening? No, nobody is even defending it. Basically saying that this is not in our interest. Scrap them. And if you don't want to scrap them, then it's time to examine whether we should not scrap the department itself. Scrap the department.